In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Google Pay without bank account. If you want to use Google Pay but don't have or don't want to link a traditional bank account, you can still set it up with a card or eligible alternatives. I'll walk you through the process on the web and share helpful tips so everything works smoothly, keeping in mind that available features can vary by country. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to pay.google.com. This is Google Pay's official web portal where you manage your wallet. Double check the URL to make sure you're on the legitimate Google site for your security. Next, sign in with your Google account. Use the account you plan to keep for payments so your activity and receipts stay organized. If you have two-step verification turned on, complete that as prompted. Never share your sign-in details with anyone and avoid using public computers for payment setup if you can. Once you're in, navigate to the Payment Methods tab. This is your dashboard for adding and managing cards and other supported options. Think of it as the control center for how you'll pay through Google services and supported merchants. Now click Add Payment Method and choose to add a credit or debit card. This is the key to using Google Pay without linking a bank account directly. Most major networks are supported, and you'll be able to use the card for purchases where Google Pay is accepted online. And if you add it on your phone later, possibly in stores too. Enter your card details carefully. You'll be asked for the card number, expiration date, security code, and a billing address that matches your card. This step doesn't require a separate bank account connection because the card itself is the funding source. You might see a temporary authorization hold to verify the card, which should drop off automatically. In some cases, your card issuer may prompt for a one-time verification, such as a code sent to your device, to confirm it's really you. If adding a standard card isn't possible, consider alternatives supported in your region, such as prepaid cards, virtual cards from your card issuer, or in certain countries, UPI vouchers. Make sure the option you choose is eligible for Google Pay and note any fees, load limits, or expiration dates that may apply to prepaid and virtual products. That's it. With your payment method saved, you're ready to use Google Pay without linking a bank account, keeping in mind that some features like peer-to-peer transfers may still require banking in certain regions.